What is going on, guys? YCG back with another video. And in today's video we're kind of just riding around. It was nice and sunny, but you know, it's shitty weather now. It's becoming winter time. Basically it's fall time, so it's definitely cold. It's like 51 degrees out right now, but it's not too bad. It could be worse. There's still some decent riding weather for a little bit. I just hate that I start fogging up now in my visor, so that's fun. So we are just gonna head down to the riverfront, just the usual, maybe hit the parking garage, but that's about it, nothing crazy. I can't really lean on these tires are pretty bad. But so that's why I'm not taking any twisties, plus the roads are just too cold. It's not really like time to push limits, it's kind of cruising time of the year, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's about like that cruising time of the year. So I'm just gonna head down to Riverfront, see what's up over there, probably not much, and then go take some videos and pictures, and then go to the parking garage so that I could get more videos and pictures. I've been behind this truck for a little bit already, and it's probably think I'm following him or something. This throttle feels weird sometimes. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's an old bike, so. I love how loud this exhaust is, though. Lets everyone know I'm coming. Yeah, it's a nice Friday. It was nice outside until now. It's all cloudy and shit. So we're just gonna go check what's up. Probably not much. But it's hard for me to focus and talk at the same time. I try to be very aware of everything now, so I'm trying not to stay in any blind spots or anything like that. This thing is so fucking loud, holy shit. Get over here. Right lane must turn right. Okie dokie. I'm definitely not used to the brakes on this fucking car. I mean, on this bike. What the fuck am I talking about? Yo, what are you doing? Relax. Chill. People need to learn how to relax. Everyone's driving so crazy today. Something's vibrating. I think it might be this. I don't like it. God, it got so ugly. It was so nice, so I want to go for a ride. Nice out. Now it's ugly as shit. I know for the past couple videos I've been coming here, it's because it's been fun. I don't have really that many places to ride to right now, so I'm kind of just keeping it nearby. Throttle's so damn touchy. So damn touchy. But I think I'm just gonna end up going to the parking garage. This looks really wet. Be careful when you're going over leaves, especially wet leaves. So sketch riding out because all these damn leaves. I think I was gonna go to the parking garage, see what's up over there, probably get some nice pictures. The parking garage, parking garage, parking garage. Not the BRZ or the GR86 bullshit, the new name for it. This thing definitely needs a valve adjustment. The hell is something? We have made it, boys, to the parking garage. God damn, that kickstand feels like complete dog ass. It's just about to fucking rain. That's no good. But I do want to get a couple pictures and everything, so I will be back with you guys whenever I'm riding around, I guess. Alright guys, there's a reason I'm riding to the same spots here and there, because it's going to start raining a lot, and Like, it's been raining for like a week already. I have videos piled up. I have like 3-4 weeks worth of videos right now. So I'm trying to get more riding. So if I just get some random like POV video, I'm trying to get must have videos, because once it gets cold, I'm not gonna be able to ride. So I'm kind of thinking what kind of content I should do, which it seemed like the gaming car content, like BeamNG, did pretty well. I might stick with some of that, obviously live stream and stuff like that. But so I'm trying to just pump out as much content as possible after everything, and I hope you guys are enjoying how the bike is looking. This is the new bike since the ZX6R got totaled out. They didn't want to fix it, and I just don't have the money to fix it in my own cash. So this one's alright. 15k miles. It needs a valve adjustment. So yeah, like mess with this throttle. It's like, I don't know, it feels kind of weird. It feels kind of sluggish a little bit, but like in low RPM. I don't know if that's just a Gixxer thing. I've never owned one, so I do like the rear end of these bikes. They look really nice. But yeah, so I'm just trying to pump out as much content physically as possible for you guys. Just trying to take a look at everything and just kind of going from there, see what kind of content I'm making during the wintertime. Obviously next summer I'm going to be riding this. I'm going to hopefully try to hit some tracks. But I'm trying my best. If you guys got any suggestions, what kind of videos you guys want to see, let me know. Because after today, it's going to rain for another like 8 days. So I'm going to be stuck, not going to record any videos, but just admire this beauty. God damn, she's so nice. But I'll catch back up with you guys here in a little bit. I'm just going to kind of kick it, chill. I don't know where else I should ride. Riverfront, I already went there. I went to this parking garage. The other parking garage might be getting some work done. So, I don't know. But yeah, let's just take a look. I was gonna go on the top floor, but I got kicked out last time I went there, so I'm not trying to get kicked out. I also did take off my passenger pegs off the back, because I'm not gonna take anybody on this bike. Obviously I have the rear cowl delete. I have the rear seat, but after my accident, I don't really want to take anybody on a motorcycle, especially my girlfriend. So I'd rather just me on the bike, and that's it. But yep, that is about it. Obviously, we're going to do some modifications and upgrades to this thing. First, maintenance. I did the oil change. It needs a valve adjustment. New tires for sure. But I'm waiting because the bike's going to sit a while during the winter time. So, yeah. But I'll catch back with you guys here in a second. Alright, boys. I think we are going to head out of here. I don't want to stick around too long. This place be kind of sketch. I'm going to just ride up, just for the fun of it. Ride upstairs. And I can just come back down and then just probably dip home. It looks pretty freaking ugly, and I have some stuff I gotta do at home. So just stay along for the ride, boys. Oh, beautiful bike. Thing's fucking heavy though. Not gonna cap. I didn't think this thing was so fucking heavy. Going up here for fun. I'm legit not doing anything. Ring around the rosy, ring around the rosy, ring around, ring around, ring around, ring around, ring around the rosy. What the hell was going on over here? What the fuck? What are you bugged like that? What the fuck is going on? Sorry, it's probably loud as fuck for you guys. Wee, wee, wee. Extra dirt on your head. Dirt on your head. It's pretty funny. Wee, wee. As I was just down here. Son of a gun. Is it raining? God damn it. Well, this is gonna suck. Fuck. This is gonna suck. Good thing I have a leather jacket, but these tires are bad.